school band. I know one day I'll see them all again.